All right, time to get another check of traffic and weather. Traffic anchor Alexa Farrell standing by with more on your morning commute.
Good morning, you guys.
Good morning. Meteorologist Stacey Ann Gooden is going to fill us in on what her radar is up to.
The radar is starting to fire up north and west of the city, but a little bit lighter around the 5 boroughs, eastern Long Island especially, and we're starting to see things fill in a little bit more across the Hudson Valley. We had a little bit of a pause there, but again, this is going to be the case throughout the morning. At times, you may notice a little bit of a lull, and then it'll start to fill in once again. Here is what we can expect. Excessive rainfall. We're at a level 1 risk. That's just a 5% chance or so of rain leading to flash flooding. So with that said, if you're in, like, say, a low-lying area or areas where the drains are clogged, especially from fall leaves, you may encounter a little bit of problems there. It's not going to be widespread. It'll be local. It'll be minor, but still a problem. Here's a look at our futurecast. We're going to time things out for you. So this is what I'm talking about. Within the next hour or so, you may notice things may lighten up a bit eastern Long Island, parts of the lower Hudson Valley, and then it starts to fill in again. But that's not until later on this afternoon. So this is what we're experiencing right now, light, and then it'll become more moderate after lunch. So you figure if you want to head out for a quick bite, good time to do that if you're in the city around 11 o'clock. Once we get past 12, closer to 12:30, that's when things will start to really heat up. And then we're tracking that strong line that's coming through, indicative of the brighter colors. Whenever you see reds, oranges, yellows, that means heavy downpours. And this is what it looks like 2 o'clock. This is when school is beginning to let out. So if you have little ones, taking the bus, picking them up, make sure you allow plenty of extra travel time, especially around the 5 o'clock hour. Look at Suffolk County firing up. Some of this moisture we're getting from Melissa, of course, Melissa staying in the Atlantic, but keep in mind where the winds are coming from. So that's going to provide a little bit of enhancement. Although not a direct impact, it'll indirectly provide some added moisture for us. So we'll keep a close watch on that. Things will start to wind down later on tonight. Clouds will be returning for tomorrow. 1 to 2 inches of rain, locally higher amounts expected. Winds gusting to near 50 miles per hour later on today. Heavy rain, thunderstorms possible, winds gusting to 50. Minor and urban flooding, that's also a possibility. Travel disruptions in addition to that. This is Melissa, sizable storm, maximum sustained winds. It went up to 105 miles per hour, moving north-northeast, still at 21 miles per hour. It's going to continue to accelerate just west of Bermuda, bringing about an inch or 2 of rain there. Of course, we're still seeing significant rainfall across the Bahamas, parts of Turks and Caicos. We'll keep you posted on that. School day forecast. Make sure the kids are bundled up. Raincoats, umbrellas needed. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. Sending it over to Alexa.